We're in the middle of quite a storm, and the leaves are blowing back and forward, and look at that, the little birds are clinging on to the trees. It's so windy. These are sparrows. It's so windy the little birds can barely cling on. Look at that poor little bird up there. It's just hanging on for dear life. And look at him there. But that's a house sparrow. And the wind is so strong, he's just about hanging on. And there's loads of them all through the trees. We'll see another one up here, just hanging on inside leaves of a tree. And this poor one here that you can see, but there's dozens of them in this tree hanging on for dear life. Look, you can see him very well. That's a male house sparrow. He's a beautiful bird, but it's very hard for birds in a storm trying to sleep. It's very hard to roost. It's very hard to find a safe place to roost. Many actually find human buildings and roost in bushes on the lee side. But look at these unfortunates. I actually have to hold my mouth down over the microphone just so you can hear me talking because the wind is so strong. And I'm trying not to get hit by anything. Branches are flying out of the trees. It's a dangerous time to be out, but to see all these birds just hanging on barely, it's just incredible. And they are on the lee side of the tree. There's barely anything left for them to shelter in the middle of the night. It's incredible. We don't often think about them. They disappear when the day goes, when the light is gone. They disappear and we kind of assume they're gone, but of course they're right here among us in the bushes, in the trees. It's so windy, I'm fighting to hold the camera up. I've actually got it under my chin. And there you can just see that little bird. And there's more. Every branch has a little bird hanging onto it. You can hear them chirping even. But the wind is so loud that it's very difficult to hear what's going on.